Korea, and Japan to discuss the growing threats in the region. Also tonight, Russia staking its claim in a new space race to the Moon and Mars. A Russian probe expected to land on the Moon's south pole any day now in an area that could be critical for the future of exploration beyond the Moon. Here's Tom Costello. Now orbiting the Moon, Lune 25 is Russia's first robotic mission in nearly 50 years. Russia never landed a cosmonaut on the Moon, but it will work to confirm its presence of frozen water which could one day be used for rocket fuel. The head of Russia's space agency says the Moon could be the launching pad to explore distant planets including Mars, and Russia has just launched a probe to land on the South Pole. NASA Chief Bill Nelson says that ice is why the U.S. plans to land Artemis astronauts in 2025, but China is also aiming for the pole. And I don't want China to get to the South Pole first with humans and then say this is ours, stay out. Is this starting to feel real? That's real. That's it. It's starting to feel very, very real. At the Kennedy Space Center, the Artemis, 2 astronauts, the first crew who will orbit the Moon since Apollo, have now inspected the Orion spaceship that will take them there next year. And we're all smiles, of course. It's a pretty inspiring moment. NASA's goals similar to what Russia and China are planning. Ultimately, NASA wants to create an Artemis base camp on the Moon and use that to go to Mars. And Tom, I think the space race is really between us and China, and we need to protect the interests of the international community. Nelson insists the U.S. would never lock out others.